Welcome back to the channel. I'm your girl Shade Boo. If you are new here, just clicking on this on my channel for the first time. My back is killing me. My back is killing me. It is Monday, and that is just it. That is the complete sentence. It is Monday. My back is hurting. I did some laundry. Now I'm not the type to like try to. Before I used to be. Where you try to get everything done one time and be damn near killing yourself. But I did 3 loads today of laundry. Tomorrow I have 2 more. Cause I could have did all of it today, but I was like, I'm not doing that. Like I did the clothes. Tomorrow I'll do the sheets and the blankets and stuff. And my building, the way it's set up, you have to walk a flight of stairs to get to the elevator. Dumb as hell. And so lugging the shopping cart while it's full with clothes up the stairs is just, sometimes it takes a toll on my body. But my back, oh gosh. So I want to wash and dry in my house. Why is that a dream? A washer and dryer in the house. Give me a washer, a dryer, and a pantry. Yep. Good to go. And leave me alone. And my little coffee section. And leave me alone. Alright, going to pick up Royalty now. It's about that time for that little girl. Yeah. So we're sitting in here. That's Royalty. With her Barbie hoodie on. And this is TV here. What is that? What is that, Boo? A stingray. Yeah. So it's Tuesday. I'm making tacos. So I had to mute this part. I wasn't really saying anything significant, but they are playing music and I was getting into it, and y'all know I don't want to get no copyright. So I just muted it. But yeah. Moving along. She wants you to, oh, but I love those mirrors. I love that whole, this whole, like the wall, the back wall. I love that, and I love that. That I would want in my house. I don't know, right? I like that in the mirrors. Even if that was my kitchen. I don't know. I just love that. I love that wood.
No, I love these lights.
Oh yeah, the lights are nice.
Look at the lights over there. Look at that light.
Oh yeah.
It looks so
The lighting is pretty. So we love it is. It's a little cafe. We like the aesthetics of nice places. So there are just certain parts in this vlog that the music kind of seems like it's overshadowing my voice. And again, y'all, I don't want to get copyright. So that's why I'm doing a voiceover. I don't want to just keep deleting, you know, in my edit. But yeah, I was taking you into the other bakery. Royalty picked this bakery. I walk past here every day. This is my first time in here. Thanks to Miss Royalty. Leave it up to her. But we don't even know what the name of it is. But anyhow, yeah. So I sit down and look.
everything. That's the name.
Hello, 21-day healthy smoothie plan. So I'm gonna look through it. See what they got going on. I will see y'all when I get home. It is raining. It's nasty outside. I don't like to be outside.
It's just ice.
When it's like, when the weather's like that, I don't like to be outside. So I'll talk to y'all when I get in the house. Well, as y'all can see, the crepe came out really, really good. And it actually did taste really, really good too. And Royalty, y'all know her, she don't waste no time. She was busting it down.
Hello.
And so, yeah, so I would definitely recommend this spot. All right, so we're back in the house. It is so nasty outside. That rain and walking in the rain and the streets are just, I wish I could just glide home. Like, anywho, so yeah, no, I stopped at Trader Joe's and I stopped at Target to get my stuff for my nachos. All right, so this is what I got from Target. This is the pico de gallo. I don't feel like cutting up tomatoes and doing all of that extra stuff, so that's why I got that with everything in it. Got me some onions, got me some beef, ground beef, 80% lean, 20% fat. Got me some lettuce. We ain't cutting up nothing, not today. Iceberg lettuce. This is from Target. Got this. This is about $3. The small one in a regular supermarket is about $3. Got this, the kit, just in case Royalty wanted to do her taco this way. I got a tomato because Royalty, I believe that she do like them diced, but I don't know. I got the guac. This guac is so good. Avocados number guacamole. This is from Trader Joe's. And then I got spicy nacho. And I got regular nacho. So we're done. Royalty chose the spicy nachos. She is killing it. She only put cheese and lettuce on hers. Is it good, boo-boo? She didn't want like the whole shebang. I have like avocado. She don't eat that. The avocado, the pico de gallo, the sour cream, the sauce, and that's how mine look. And trust me, I cannot wait to dig in. So yeah. Look at my nail. I got these two.
This is hard. I know.
Check the dudes.
But you know, just based on the answers.
But I'm sitting here watching Pop the Balloon UK, so I'm gonna watch this while I eat. And yeah, well, let me take my first bite with y'all.
And one more.
Let's see what's side.
It's hard. I know. Oh my God.
At Napa, we believe in catching problems before they become breakdowns. That's why we recommend testing 5 key electrical components in every vehicle and provide the parts, tools, and expertise that keep your business moving at full speed.
Okay.
Allergies? Get fast, powerful allergy relief plus no brain fog due to drowsiness. Discover a liquid. It's a no-brainer.
Gotta do voiceover again because I do not want to get copyright. Now, as far as these Doritos, they were bussin'. I actually prefer it this way than actually a real taco. I'm sold. It was 10 out of 10. Ask Royalty.
That makes all of it.
If you haven't tried it, you gotta try it.
Being able to pass my taxes to a TurboTax expert means that I have to
All right, y'all.
only collect documents